How much does Kinsta cost? Well, I'm right here on the pricing page and I'm going to go through all of the pricing in detail right here so you understand what you're getting. I'm right here on the main pricing page, as you can see at the top here. So first of all, in the video description below, I've got an offer for you. You can get a free trial of Kinsta. You can check it out and see if it is the right solution for you. If it's not, that's absolutely fine. If it is, you can stick around and get one of these pricing plans. So for single sites, they have this option right here. So they're saying $0 for the first month, and it will be $30 after that. So as you can see, you pay $0 today, $350 after the first month. That is not including the offer that I have in the video description. This is just the generic pricing page that they have right here. So that's for single sites. They've also got this multi-site option at $59 per month. And then they have this agency plan as well, which you can check out right here. So all the pricing I just read is annual. So essentially you get 2 months off. So there's 2 months of savings right there if you pay all in one go. So the monthly works out a little bit more. So you can save $70 by paying annually if you go for this plan, $140 for this plan, as you can see right here. So monthly, you're not paying upfront in one go, you're paying month to month as an option. Now, the other thing to mention here is the scrolling kind of tabs right here. So you can do billing based on bandwidth or on visits. If you swap it around here, you can see how this changes slightly here. So by default, there's a 20 gig server bandwidth, and there are 35,000 visits if you choose to do that option. So with the bandwidth one, if we scroll across, you can see that things are getting more expensive here as we go across. So for example, 125 gig of server bandwidth will cost you 142 USD. And also the CDN bandwidth changes as well, I should note right there. And if we scroll down to the 40 gig server bandwidth one at 42 USD per month, you get 250 gig CDN bandwidth. So that might get a little bit confusing. It's sometimes better just to look at it as visits. So you get 65,000 visits with that option right there. But you can scroll along these bars and see what is the right use case for you depending on your business and what you actually need from Kinsta. If you scroll down, there are some frequently asked questions, so you can check those out there. Then they've got this really helpful feature table right here, so you can see side by side the different options. There's a whole bunch of different kind of variables that you can select right here, but you can see exactly what your selected plan will do side by side if I open all these up compared to the other plans, and you can see this side by side comparison right here. So check out the offer that I have in the video description. Get the free trial of Kinsta, see if it is for you. If it is, stick around. If it isn't, that's absolutely fine. You don't have to pay anything. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.